Hello, everyone. We're back at JNation 2025, and with me is Gato. He is one of the core members of Nanowar of Steel, which is an amazing Italian rock band. But you are also, I can see in one of your stickers here, that you're also an engineer,
Um, I don't really mean it. I'm a physicist now. I'm a machine learning specialist.
a machine learning specialist.
Yes.
So what do you do on your regular job?
My regular job is actually being the bass player of Nanowar of Steel, and then as a side hobby, I work for a company as a machine learning engineer. So
That sounds like a really sweet gig.
yeah, it
Um,
does.
So you guys perform at the opening of the conference today. You have, well, it was what was it, like November of last year in 2024 when you posted a video of a brand new song that created a lot of waves in the Java community because the name of the song is Hello World of Java. How do you guys came up with that particular idea?
So that was an idea of our guitar player. He's actually the Java developer in the band. I'm mostly a Python guy as a machine learning engineer, so whatever. But that was this idea, and so we came up with we had a new album coming out, and we put it in that album. We recorded a video. The video was successful, so why not? It's a
And what else has happened since you recorded that and you posted it?
it happened. We went on tour, but it was not related to that song. It was already planned. But yeah, I got invited to a bunch of conferences with dealing with Java and programming. So talking about my experience as a programmer and a musician. And this is the first conference we actually play, so we really perform because other places I've been to, they just showed the video, and I was commenting on it. But this is the first one that we play. It's the first time we play at a congress, and I think that the interesting part was not just the Hello World song that we played; it was already released. It was the fact that we showed the second song, the Kotlin song, and I think it was the first time that you see a presentation, a PowerPoint presentation was sung uh, instead of having a speech. So it was like the first talk that was being sung, was being played live. So
This is your first time in Portugal?
no.
No.
We played already in Portugal with our last tour. Actually, one of the not 2 tours ago, 3 tours ago. But at 2023, we played in Portugal in Lisbon. So
But this is certainly your first time at JNation, right?
this is the first time at JNation. Yeah.
And this you have also a session, a talk at the
Yes,
conference, right?
yes,
So not
yes.
just playing in the rock band,
No.
but also delivering
Yes.
a speech.
Yes.
So what is the topic about?
So the topic is a little bit general. Is about my how I got into programming and how what I'm doing as a machine learning engineer. I think there's a few topics that might be of general interest, like yeah, how to use. I've seen today there was a talk about NASA satellite imagery. So I'm talking about my experience with machine learning and satellite imagery. So how I can use free sources to do analysis and machine learning again. And then I'm talking a little bit about the band, some background of the Hello World song, and some background on other songs that we've done that are related to science and technology. And then the time will be over because then it's going to be very long.
So what have you seen in terms of cross-pollination from your experiences as a musician, as a rock band member, going into your other work, physicist and vice versa?
So I've seen that when, as musicians, especially me, again, me and Valerio, the guitar player, we have both roles as musicians and developers. People are surprised on a music world that we are very precise with deadlines, so we always deliver on time, which is very rare. I think it's because we are used to do with bosses and people that are very strict about deadlines. So that's the main thing. But then there's a lot, like I don't know. There's a few things, a few projects I did for the band. Like I developed a website that where we are selling some special content. Like I developed the full pipeline and things like that. So and then we get ideas, of course. Like we get ideas from programming to do songs, and then also that's and other things that we encounter in the world of programming. So we put them into our songs.
And in the other way around, so your experience as a musician, what has that given to you as a machine learning scientist? as a physicist?
I think it gave more to my colleagues because I'm not. So people, we are funny people to be around. So that's I'm no, I'm bragging about myself. It's not fun, but that's the thing. So to be very humble, yes, we make the working environment better for the other employees.
All right. Well, is there anything else that you would like to share with the JNation audience?
Well, first of all, thank for the people. I mean, for everyone that came this morning and sang with us the very important lines, system out.println, hello world. That was probably the hardest line to learn in Java. But yeah, I think I hope people will check out our music and the upcoming Kotlin song and whatever. We got into the dev metal. Now we invented this new genre. So yeah, they can follow us on social media and yeah, thanks.
Well, thank you so much for being here, for bringing the band together, for presenting the new song, for writing Hello World Java, for exciting everybody else before the Christmas break. And it's amazing to have people like you and your teammates in this event. Thank you so much. For
Thank
being
you.
here.
Thank you.